somebody know me better. I thought that I would miss her more, but I wake up and I feel better, 'cause I let somebody go. We've been going on forever.
Welcome to our demonstration featuring the cutting-edge pulsar receiver developed by COOGY. Today, we'll showcase its capabilities by examining the thickness, cut surface, and bore of STB-A1 specimens. What sets this demonstration apart is our utilization of the pulsar receiver from COOGY. Not only does it facilitate accurate measurements, but it also seamlessly integrates with other equipment. For instance, the ESCN data obtained can be effortlessly cross-checked using an oscilloscope, ensuring the utmost reliability and validation of results. To provide you with a comprehensive understanding, we've prepared a detailed comparison table. This table juxtaposes the ESCN images checked with COOGY's software against those verified with an oscilloscope. This enables us to discern any nuances or disparities in the data, further affirming the efficacy of COOGY's technology. So, without further ado, let's delve into the fascinating world with COOGY's pulsar receiver.